Welcome to Big Ass Fans Technical Support. We're here to help.
On the PFX 2.0 keypad, there are 5 different display modes that give you different information about the fan. The first display mode, you see with the U lit up, shows you the percentage the fan is running. The second one is A. That's showing you the current amp draw that the fan is pulling. Next, you have LOC. LOC is a lock feature for the keypad. LOC 0 means that this keypad is currently unlocked. The next one is F, which is your frequency. That is your commanded frequency, the speed that you're telling the fan to run. The next one is H, and that's the actual frequency. That's direct feedback from the motor on how fast it is currently going. The fan also has 2 different operation modes. The first operation mode is local, and you'll see that with the LOC lit up. Local control means that this keypad on the wall is controlling both fan speed and on and off for the fan. The second operation mode, which you change by hitting the local remote button, is remote mode. Remote mode is used when you're using automation or a smart sense controller to control the fan. At that point, this keypad is not controlling start, stop, and run. It's being done by an external device. For normal operation with just the keypad, you should always make sure that it's in local mode. For controlling the speed of the fan, you're going to do that under the F setting. And what you're doing is you're adjusting the hertz of the fan. That's the unit of measurement for controlling the speed. You can tell right here that one of the digits is blinking. It'll always blink when you're on F. What that's indicating is what will change when I hit the up or down arrows. Now, if you want to change the speed on the fan, leaving it on the far right digit and turning it up is going to take a really long time. So what we recommend is to go ahead and hit the left arrow twice, and you can move that to the singles digit, and you can turn the fan up much quicker. The 56.10 is the max speed, and then you can turn it down much quicker as well. Now, you don't have to be on the F screen in order to change the speed. Most people, when the fan's running, will go ahead and have it showing on the U. U is showing you percentage of speed. For most users, that's an easier number to look at. So we recommend leaving it on U. And anytime I hit the up or down arrow, you'll notice the screen automatically goes back to F while I'm changing. Once I've made my change and let go, it'll revert back to the U setting. Turning the fan on and off is as simple as hitting the stop button to turn it off. When you're on U, you'll see the speed start to ramp down. You can restart the fan by hitting the run button. One other feature that this keypad has that you can use for your fan is it has the ability to lock out controls. So maybe a supervisor or manager wants to stop end users from turning the fan off or changing the speed. To do that, you'll hit the mode button until you get to the LOC or the lock screen. Like I said earlier, lock 0 means the fan is unlocked. We can lock this by setting a password. To do that, you hit the up arrow, and you can set any 4-digit number you want to lock it. So I can go all the way out to any of those digits. For this, I'm just going to set it to 11. Once I have my passcode in, I'm going to hit Program Data, and now it's going to say Lock 1. Now if I go back to try to control the fan, you'll notice none of the digits are blinking, because right now, because it's locked, I cannot change the speed. I also can't stop the fan. The only thing I can do is cycle through the different displays. To unlock the fan, cycle around till it says Lock 1. You're going to hit the down arrow, and then it's going to allow you to enter in the password that you set. Every time you lock it, you set a unique password. It takes that password to unlock it. So I had put in 11. Once I have my correct password set, I'm going to hit the Program Data button. My keypad is now unlocked. So if I go back here, you can see I can adjust the speed. I can also stop and start the fan.
Still having trouble? Fill out a support form on our website at bigassfans.com/support/form.